Hey, all you groovy dudes. Welcome. Today we are gonna make a groovy dish called shrimp campy in the middle of the woods. Take it away.
I've spent years searching both this world and its twin, looking for a place that I might belong, more than a shadow to all my sin. Now maybe it's time to step up, like I've never seen a better reason why. Come here, darling, I'm gonna lose me in those flashing hot amber lights. Try to be the word when you can't listen, I try to be the voice when you can't sing. I try to be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. I wanna rescue you from your nightmares and be a part of all your dreams. I wanna be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything.
All right, tonight we are going to make shrimp campy. And the first thing we need, we're going to use avocado oil. It's good for high heat. And we're going to put enough in there like that. We're going to heat that oil up. All right, the oil's hot. We're going to add some shrimp. All right. This is a little bit of garlic. Whoa, that'll do. Gotta have garlic. Some butter we're putting in there because it's shrimp campy. You gotta have that butter going. We're also adding just a touch of ginger. We like ginger. So we put it in. Just a little sticky. There we go. And this is citrus peel and salt and pepper all together. If you don't have this, you can just put salt and pepper and put a little lemon juice. And we're going to heat them up, mix that around, let that butter melt in. Looking good, smelling good. All right, we're going to let that cook for a little bit, heat up, we'll be back. Okay, these are nice and hot, and they smell delicious. Now, last thing we're going to do, put a little Parmesan cheese, like that. Last thing we're going to do is a little bit of honey, a little bit, just like that, not much. Mix that around in there. The honey will bring all that together with a little sweetness. Oh yeah, you can smell it. Okay, I'll take that off the heat. And we're gonna put this over pasta. So we'll meet you at the table. Okay, we got some pasta. Angel here. And we're gonna put some shrimp right on top of it.
The pasta is seasoned with garlic and butter.
You want a little bit of this juice?
I don't.
Okay, I'll put a little bit of that juice on there. Wouldn't be shrimp campy without it. And there you have it. Let's go try it out. All right, we're gonna give it a try. Let's see how it is. First, the pasta.
Smells good.
Flavors are good. Mmm. Mmm. Shrimp campy.
Very good.
Very good. I'm gonna eat this and then we'll be back. Well, we're back in the tent and we've got our Mr. Heater going down here. You can see that, and it's nice and toasty in here. It's cold out there. It got really cold. Now, don't forget to check out our sponsor, thehipbee.com. And if you like these videos, hit a like, share, subscribe. All those things help us to grow the channel so we can continue making videos. So until next week, peace.